We're at the sorta kinda halfway point, day 4 of the Better Bedtime Habit Challenge. I must say, the last few days' tasks, though simple, have been super helpful and has us looking forward to today, day 4, right? Today, we're tackling a topic I would bet money on that we both know all too well. Pesky late night snack attacks. We've eaten, cleaned the kitchen, shut it down even. Then our stomachs, our brains, maybe even our emotions, something is mentally scanning the kitchen cabinets, freezer, fridge, looking for that something. So where to start? What to do? We could start with understanding our cravings. This step 1, we need to peel back the why surrounding our bedtime cravings. See, not all cravings are created equal, and how we address them is largely based on their origin. When nighttime cravings strike, it is imperative that we stop, drop into self, and evaluate if the cravings are stemming from true hunger, boredom, habitual patterns, or one more type of hunger craving that gets overlooked. Stomach growling, low blood sugar with dizziness or irritability, even concentration lags are common signs of true physical hunger. This would be an ideal time to grab a whole food source of protein and something with fiber. Those two options together make a great combination. Greek yogurt with flax seeds, a serving of tuna with chopped celery and onions, deli meat with cucumber slices, or a protein shake with nut butter. If this is the type of hunger craving that you are dealing with, the next day, purpose to eat enough at each meal and throughout the day. When cravings come on suddenly and sometimes intensely with a specific item in mind, yet there is an absence of physical hunger signs, this is the time to notice yourself, converse with yourself, and decipher if sadness, stress, or lack of excitement, joy, or even connection is bringing your cravings to the surface. If so, this is the time to pick up the phone, call a friend. If you're a sorer or part of another community that serves and gives in some kind of meaningful way, look into ways to give back, to participate, to be involved. Also, look into ways in which you can use your hands to create something magical. Boredom is our brain asking us to do something meaningful, something beyond snacking. We were about to watch American Idol. I had just finished eating 5-10 minutes ago. I grabbed a pack of mixed nuts, the kind with the chocolate chips in them. Halfway through the show, halfway through the pack, it hit me. Every time I watch a show, my hands go into reaching and feeding mode. Had I become victim of habitual patterns, eating and behaving out of habit, mindlessly, when our bedtime cravings are the result of habits that prove to be unsupportive to our overall goals, a habit swap is called for. An easy way to institute a habit swap that is a good reminder as well as hold you accountable is to leave a message next to that go-to item that you normally grab and eat out of habit. Write a message to yourself that reminds you to choose another non-food-based option. Things like, now is a great time to do nail care. Give yourself a hand and arm self-massage, or choose another activity altogether. We can form and develop new habits that support the health and well-being that we deserve, that we say we want. The one hunger craving that gets overlooked, the craving that comes as a result of our willful violation of the circadian rhythm, is not following the bedtime habit from yesterday. Go back, watch it, and nail that down. And watch your nighttime cravings be far and few in between, because it inherently creates a snack cutoff time that is easy to adhere to. Let me know the habit swap you're thinking of. Days 1 through 4 of that Bedtime Habit Challenge are the foundational pieces. Days 5, 6, and 7 are going to be more application-based with near to immediate returns on your time investment. Don't miss it. See you tomorrow for day 5.